In the cosmic theater of the universe, the James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, plays a leading role. Imagine peering into a mirror not to see your own reflection, but to gaze upon the distant stars, galaxies, and the mysteries they hold. This is the reality of the JWST, a technological marvel that has revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. The journey of this celestial sentinel began on Christmas Day, 2021, when it was launched into space. With a mirror diameter of 6.5 meters, it dwarfed its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, and promised to reveal the universe in ways never before seen. The James Webb Space Telescope was named after James Webb, NASA's second ever administrator. Despite controversy surrounding his tenure, an investigation by NASA's chief historian found no evidence linking Webb to any discriminatory practices. Thus, the telescope retained its name, standing as a testament to Webb's contributions to the field of space exploration. The JWST's first significant discovery came in 2023. The telescope confirmed the existence of an exoplanet, LHS 475b, nearly the same size as our home planet, Earth. Nestled 41 light-years away, this celestial body was initially hinted at by NASA's test data. However, it was the JWST that validated its existence, demonstrating its superior sensitivity by detecting a range of molecules on the planet. The capabilities of the JWST extend far beyond the discovery of exoplanets. The telescope provided astronomers with detailed images of a dusty disk surrounding a nearby red dwarf star, offering valuable insights into planet formation. Further, the JWST was instrumental in studying a star-forming region in a neighboring dwarf galaxy, providing a unique glimpse into conditions during the cosmic noon, a period of peak star formation in the universe. To summarize, the James Webb Space Telescope, with its unparalleled technological prowess, has ushered in a new era of space exploration. Its ability to validate the existence of exoplanets, study star-forming regions, and provide insights into planet formation has revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. From its launch to its latest discoveries, the JWST has proven to be a game-changer. In the vast expanse of the universe, it serves as our eyes, uncovering the mysteries of the cosmos and bringing us one step closer to understanding our place in this grand cosmic theater. The James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of human ingenuity, continues to redefine the boundaries of our cosmic exploration, promising a future filled with extraordinary discoveries.